Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 13 mini, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through DFU mode. Now I'll be using a Windows computer for this, but you can also use a Mac. On Mac you only need to open up Finder, but on Windows you unfortunately need to download iTunes through the, Windows Store, I believe. Once you get it from there, launch it up, connect the device, and once you connect it, it will show up right here on Windows obviously. And on Mac, all you need to do is open up your Finder, which is equivalent to Explorer, and it should show up somewhere in the side panel. So find it. Once you click on it, you can actually find mine. Anyway, it should show up somewhere on the side panel in Finder, which will give you the same page once you click on it as this one. So from here, before you actually get started with the process of booting it into a DFU mode, I do recommend you to select Restore iPhone. Number one, it's a little bit easier method, and number two, it also starts the download of an iOS, which you will need for this process anyway. And the iOS has about 6 gigs in size, and additionally is being bottlenecked by iTunes or Apple web servers. I don't exactly know, but honestly, for me, it was downloading for about 30 to 40 minutes. On a gigabit internet, 6 gigs for 40 minutes is a little bit ludicrous. So it is being bottlenecked severely by something. So anyway, once you have that ready, which I do have it ready, we will want to boot our device into the DFU mode, which it's a little bit complicated how to do it. So I'm going to quickly go into it, how you get it into the DFU mode, and from there you can try to do it yourself. So what you will do is press volume up, volume down, then you will hold the power key, and you will hold the power key as long as the screen is on. Once the screen turns off, you will start holding additionally volume down, and you will hold both of those keys for 5 seconds, at which point you will let go of the power key, but you will keep holding the volume down. So now to put that in actual physical thing that you can see, so volume up, volume down, power key. And I'm holding it as long as the screen is on. After it turns off, I'll add volume down. Additionally, you do want to have iTunes open so you can see it on iTunes when it boots into the DFU mode. Now I might have held the power key for a little bit too long. I didn't count, but nope, it seems like it was just good enough. So as you can see on the phone side, there is nothing really visible on the phone. It looks like it's just off, but on iTunes side, when it's plugged into the computer, it shows us as recovery mode, which is incorrect, but whatever. So from here, simply select Restore iPhone, restore and update, and this will begin the process. Now, it is fully on autopilot now. It's going to start extracting, then it's going to prepare it, install it, and once everything is finished, you will basically see the setup screen on your phone, at which point the process will be completely finished. So I'm going to let this run through and come back once it's finished for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.